So click the rectangle command for the cha-cha, then click the dimensions and specify the measurements that you want, and specify order locations and click. Now we created the skeletal framework or the 2D framework of our window. Now need to copy on it and specify the first point and move on this part of our window, then enter, then click it and convert it into the shaded again. Then after that, with the press pull, click the press pull command and click the radius rectangle and going inside to make a hole, and for the cha-cha going outside, specify the measurements that you want, and also to other side repeat the process. Just press pull the window going inside and specify the measurements, and the cha-cha also going out and specify the measurements that you want. So that's the, and convert it again into the 2D wireframe. Now click again the line command for other kinds of windows and specify the measurements and enter. Then click the rectangle command, click the dimensions, specify the measurements of the other kinds of window, and now specify the locations again and click again the rectangle command for the cha-cha. So click the dimensions and specify again the measurements that you want. So specify the location, click. Now we're done creating the other kinds of windows. Then need to copy on it, then first specify the first point, then move it, then rotate it for the other parts of the window. So we need to rotate again, then move over. So now we're done on rotating it. So now we will click the move or copy command rather, then specify the first point, then put it on the parts that have no skeleton, the 2D frame for the window. Then move also on this part. So now we're done. Then remove this or the copy of this, and need to convert it again to 2D or the shaded part. Then to get the press pull command and press pull, go inside, point 3 the measurements, and the cha-cha need to press pull, go outside and specify the measurements that you want. Now so to the other part, other sides, this, then press pull inside, specify the measurements, and the cha-cha press pull it outside and specify the measurements, and so yeah, press for the cha-cha and press pull it out. So now let's go to other side base. So press pull again, go inside, point 3 and go outside. Now we're going to a 2D wireframe in order to remove the unwanted slime, but you can also turn off the lines for the windows. So as you can see, there are no unwanted lines. So back into the shaded, and we're going to create a frame of the window. So first we're creating a rectangle. So click the rectangle command, click the dimensions and specify the measures that you want, and click Then now click the offset and click the our coordinates, go inside and click the line command and go into the midpoint of our rectangle. Give the first point and the second point. Then now click again the offset, then offset this line. So click the and go to the left and go to the right, and then we need to erase these lines on the center, and also need to trim these lines or the unwanted lines. So then after that, create the press pull command, then press pull it and specify the measurements that you want. So now we created the framework of our wall. Then now we were going to create the glass. So click the rectangle command. So get for the midpoint rather, then going up until this midpoint of the top. So now we're done. So we need to region it in order to show where the glass. So to convert it into the 5 pin, then click the glass, then so open it, so then region of it. Now we're going to copy this window. So select all, then specify the midpoint, then move it, then move and place it on the window of our house. So click the midpoint and enter. Then on the other side also we need to put this window. So this is find and set the midpoint and enter. So since there are two kinds of window, we need to create other windows for this. So we need to change this. So let's create one. So click the rectangle command. So then click the dimension, specify the measurements of your window or the second window. Then enter, specify the location, then click. Then now offset this. We're going to offset this part and here. We need to offset going inside, then click the line command in the midpoint. In the midpoint, we create the lines in the center of the rectangle and the midpoint also. Now we need to offset the center line. So click the offset command, then move to the right, copy to the left, then we need to erase the center line. Then we need to trim also these unwanted lines. So remove unwanted lines. Now click the press pull, then specify the corner, then specify the measurements that you want. So done it. So click again the rectangle command for the glass. So in the midpoint of the framework of window, then going up and for the midpoint. Okay, so now we were going to convert it into the wireframe, then select, then make it a region. So it serves as the glass of our window. Now we need to copy this and then select the first point. Click the first point and then move it and place it into the window wrapper. So we need to rotate, then place on this place in this part, and then we need to also put here, so the midpoint of this, and oops, now we need to rotate it in order to place in the other parts of our window. So we need to rotate it. Since our 3D rotate are not applying, so we need to create again a windows rather. So rectangle command, then dimension, specify the dimension, then measurements that you want, offset again using the offset command. Then now we will click the line command, then create a line on the center of our rectangle, then the midpoint, then enter, then offset again using the offset command, offset in the right and offset to the left. Then now we need to erase the center line, then trim the unwanted lines also, and then need to press pull it and specify the measurements that you want. And then we need to click the rectangle command and specify the first point to the second point or the midpoint. This is serve as our glass to the wireframe, then click our lines and make it a region. So the region serves as our glass, our windows. So we need to move it and place it into our windows here. So specify the midpoint and click. So we need to remove this source.